Ever wondered how we find the exact value a function approaches, even if we can't plug in the exact number? Today, we're diving into the powerful concept of limits, specifically for functions like polynomials. By the end, you'll understand why. For polynomials, finding a limit is often as simple as direct substitution. Let's start with our function, f of x equals x squared minus 3x plus 5. We want to find out what happens to this function as x gets incredibly close to the number 4. For polynomials, there's a fantastic shortcut, the direct substitution property. It means we can simply plug in the value x is approaching directly into the function. So we replace every x in our function with the number 4. Now let's break it down step by step. First, we calculate 4 squared, which gives us 16. Next, we multiply 3 by 4, resulting in 12. Finally, we add 5 to our expression. Putting it all together, we have 16 minus 12 plus 5. Subtracting 12 from 16 leaves us with 4. And adding 5 to 4 gives us our final answer, 9. So the limit of x squared minus 3x plus 5 as x approaches 4 is 9.